Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm back to share with you 12 more sounds that are meme related so that you can take your Discord soundboard to the next level. We have a few different samples here, like Ralph's I Am in Danger,
I'm in danger.
R2-D2's screaming noise, the SpongeBob foghorn, and of course Owen Wilson going, "Wow."
Wow.
And you can see a selection of all of these right here. We've got Ara Ara, Bedtime Log Off, Deja Vu, Doge Bonk, The Helicopter, I'm in Danger, Michael Don't Leave Me, My Name is Jeff, Oh My God, Owen Wilson, R2-D2 Scream, and the SpongeBob Foghorn. So grab that link in the video description below, and you can add these to your Discord server. If you don't remember how to do that, or you're new to this process, all you have to do is go into your server settings, go to your soundboard, and then click Upload Emoji. You can grab whatever sound you like. I'm going to say, let's grab My Name Jeff. And then it'll automatically give you the ability to sample it right here. To make sure it's not too loud, you can adjust the sample volume right here to make sure it doesn't murder your ears if you want to prevent that from happening. Then you can select an emoji that you want, like let's say My Name is Jeff, we'll give that like this random person. Then we'll just add the label My Name Jeff. Then click Upload. And then bing bang boom, you have the sound ready to be played.
My name is Jeff.
And then that's all you gotta do. And you've got 12 of these to pick from, although by default, Discord soundboards on non-boosted servers only have 8 slots, so you'll have to be careful with which one you want to use. That'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you want to get more sound packs in the future, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.